welcome to 3.TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. JPMorgan has partnered with Coinbase to enable its 18 million customers to buy crypto more easily. The integration allows users to link bank accounts, redeem ultimate reward points for USDC, and use credit cards for crypto purchases. Coinbase says the features will roll out in phases, card support by fall 2025, and bank and points linking in 2026. Chase customers can convert reward points at 100 points per dollar in USDC on Coinbase's base blockchain, marking a first in US credit card crypto rewards. Defunct crypto firms FTX and Alameda Research staked 20,736 Ether worth nearly $79 million on Wednesday, according to Look On Chain. The move follows a series of asset reallocation as the firms prepare for a $1.9 billion creditor payout on September 30th. The firms previously unstaked over 3 million Solana tokens worth $431 million in March. These actions are part of court-supervised bankruptcy proceedings that cap weekly liquidations. Creditors in China and some restricted jurisdictions are likely to be excluded from the upcoming payout. Robinhood's crypto revenue surged 98% year-on-year to $160 million in Q2 as CEO Vlad Tenev reaffirmed his commitment to tokenizing real-world assets. Total revenue rose 45% to $989 million, with net income doubling to $386 million. Despite exceeding forecasts, shares slipped slightly after hours. Crypto volumes also climbed 32% to $28 billion. Tenev highlighted tokenization as a decade-defining innovation, noting Robinhood's rollout of its blockchain, Robinhood Chain, and plans to tokenize alternative assets like real estate and private shares. The White House has released a 163-page report confirming plans to create a strategic Bitcoin reserve modeled after gold and oil stockpiles. Managed by the Treasury, it aims to boost U.S. leadership in digital finance under Executive Order 14178 and 14233. Most BTC will come from assets seized in criminal cases, placing no extra burdens on taxpayers. The reserve will act as a long-term national store of value and won't be sold except under specific legal conditions. Polygon's Heimdall V2 mainnet faced a temporary outage on Wednesday due to a suspected consensus bug triggered by an unidentified validator's exit. The one-hour disruption, which began around 9:30 UTC, affected node coordination but not block production on the board layer, which continued normally. Polygon has since restored Heimdall and is correcting Explorer discrepancies. The Heimdall V2 upgrade launched in July had improved finality to 5 seconds using Comet BFT and Cosmos SDK V0.50, but the event highlights growing uptime challenges. Trump-affiliated blockchain platform World Liberty Financial has invested $10 million in Falcon Finance to improve stablecoin infrastructure. Also, the move focuses on enhancing interoperability and liquidity between WLFI's USD1 token and Falcon USD. USD1, linked to Eric Trump, will also serve as collateral on Falcon. The goal is to build a robust synthetic dollar system combining Falcon's over-collateralized protocols with USD1's reserve-backed model. The partnership aims to benefit both retail and institutional users with faster multi-chain stablecoin solutions. Crypto investment firm The Ether Machine has purchased 15,000 Ether worth $56.9 million at $3,809 per token, boosting its total holdings to 334,757 Ether. This makes it the largest known corporate Ethereum holder after Bitmain and Sharplink, overtaking the Ethereum Foundation's estimated 234,000 Ether. The buy was funded by private placement proceeds and aligns with the platform's long-term accumulation strategy. The news also coincides with Ethereum's 10th anniversary. Ether Machine aims to list on Nasdaq later this year as ETHM. Nasdaq-listed Fundamental Global has rebranded as FG Nexus and announced plans to adopt Ethereum as its core treasury asset. Marking Ethereum's 10th anniversary, the firm launched a $200 million private placement to fund Ether purchases, staking, and DeFi yield strategies. Key backers include Galaxy Digital, Kraken, Hivemind Capital, and Digital Currency Group. Galaxy will manage treasury operations while Kraken will support staking. The move positions FG Nexus among among growing US firms aligning their reserves with the Ethereum ecosystem. The Chicago Board Options Exchange has filed a 19b4 rule change request with the SEC to allow the generic listing of crypto ETFs, eliminating the need for lengthy individual approvals. If granted, issuers could list spot Bitcoin and similar commodity-based trust ETFs under a standardized framework. Experts believe the move could transform the crypto ETF landscape, with CBOE potentially gaining a competitive edge over exchanges like NYSE and Nasdaq. The SEC has 240 days to decide. Nasdaq-listed Ethereum staking firm BTCS has filed a shelf registration with the US SEC, allowing it to raise up to $2 billion for Ether purchases. The filing gives BTCS flexibility to issue securities in phases but doesn't guarantee immediate action. Proceeds may fund Ether acquisitions, staking expansion, or working capital. As of July 28, BTCS held over 70,000 Ether worth approximately $265 million, positioning it as an early adopter of the Ethereum Treasury model ahead of rivals like Bitmain and Sharplink. Well, that's all in this bulletin for now. This is Mritu Sharma signing off. Do like, share and subscribe to 3 TV, and for more information and stories, log on to our website www.3whatsev.io or scan the QR code.